Just a little update for you guys. Doing some dirt work. Got to put in a culvert there. Over here we got conveyors done. Got this conveyor that was on the ground first video. Legs under it. Got it back up. Got the bed of it replaced all the way up. Got new legs under that one now. Just finished it. So our 2 drag conveyors are good to go. We're going to start replacing bearings and working on that log deck. So, once he gets these finished cutting, we're going to take them up here, put them on these feet plate that we got made, or that we made. Another one, it's the 3rd one there. And then those I-beams will support these tubes that we're going to have up there.